I received a comment on my Vintage English Enfield Mantle clock service video, part 4, a couple of days ago. Paul L. wrote, "Hi Scotty, could you please tell me, will the gathering pallet find its own position? I took mine off and guessed where I put it back on again." Today we're going to answer that question and solve the problem. This is a standard German chiming movement from the 60s or 70s. It's a good one for demonstrating this. So if you've removed, I'll put the rack out of the road. If you've removed the gathering pallet, which is this little cam here, and you need to put it back on again, this is how you set it up. This is the rack hook right here. That pin, when you put the gathering pallet back on, before you hammer it down to keep it firm, that pin has to fall into that notch there on the side of the gathering pallet. As you can see there, when I move this up, that pin drops into the slot on the periphery of the gathering pallet. That pin there drops into the slot on the periphery of the gathering pallet. When you attach the gathering pallet to its pivot, which is obviously down in there, use a hollow punch, tap it with a hammer gently until it's firm. Make sure you haven't hit it so hard that the gathering pallet actually touches the plate. So that is the way that's set up. You can see that the pin has fallen into the cutaway on the gathering pallet. And that's it. Chime's working over here, but we're not interested in that. There it goes. It's lifted. You can see the gathering pallet lifting the rack. You can't see the hammer striking the hour, but we'll run to the end of this. I've just put my finger on the back and that stopped it. Right.